to demonstrate how to cook another Chinese dish, which is 红烧牛肉. Remember, this means beef. 红 is the color. 红 actually refers, this dish is the dark brown color, and this is 红烧 is a Chinese way of cooking. It can be 红烧牛肉. It also can be 猪肉 pork, or fish, or lamb 羊肉. 红烧, the verse is 清炖. Normally, if you see this 清炖, 炖, this is a way of cooking. They all has the fire as the radical, and this 清炖 normally means no soy sauce, so the color is light, and this means light. So 红烧 is dark brown, 清炖 is white sauce normally, no soy sauce. But today I'm going to cook 红烧牛肉. For this dish, I always buy the beef shin. You don't need to cut to small cube, just a big piece like this is fine. Turn on the fire because it takes time to heat up this cooking pot. So I'm going to show you the ingredients I'm going to use. Light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, 200 milliliter of red wine, 1 of the beef cube, which I dissolved, 100 milliliter of the hot water, a few slices of ginger, 1 clove of these star onions, and 1 piece of this cinnamon, and 2 pieces of these bay leaves, piece of the mandarin skin, roast in the oven. So it's very dry now. This pot is hot enough. I just add a little bit cooking oil. I add this cinnamon bun and the onions into the oil. Low fire, fry about a minute, and take it out. Add 2 tablespoons of the sugar. Now it's very critical, don't let it burn. Once you see the color now is dark, you need to move away from the fire for a minute. It is good now. Okay, ingredients, the other seasonings. Now I dissolve this beef cube water. I can move back to the fire now. The red wine. Then 2 tablespoons of dark color soy sauce. Okay, it is boiling. I will put this beef in here and bring it to boil, and then leave it simmer, very low fire for 1.5 hours. I'm going to do the handmade noodle. Add 400 grams of the strong white bread flour. I put 100 grams of this 绿豆粉. Remember, 豆 means bean, 绿 means the color, green, 粉 means powder. So they translate mung bean powder. 3 grams of salt, 330 milliliter of the cold water. This. Make sure they're not sticking together. I cut it about ½ centimeter wide. It's 1.5 hours already. I just turned off the fire. Look at the beef. If I use the fork, poke it, it's very tender. And we have plenty sauce for the noodle. Don't let them stick together. Fresh made noodle, you don't need to take that long. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, coriander and put it on top.